Hello viewers, in this video we will see how to draw Nitro group by ChemDraw software. Usually we draw Nitro group by adding just letter NO₂ in this way, but we don't know how to draw by adding charges and the actual state. So in this video we will see how to draw a nitro group with their actual state positive or negative charges. So for that we have to go to the ChemDraw software. So as you can see that this is the structure of para-nitrobenzoic acid. So I will first draw this structure. For that require a benzene ring. So this is the structure of para-nitrobenzoic acid. So this is the as usual structure. Now at this moment we will convert this nitro group as like of this state. So we have to add a positive charge in the nitrogen atom and a double bonded oxygen atom, a single bonded oxygen atom with negative charge. So first of all I have to delete this oxygen atom from here. Just write nitrogen, then add a double bond and a single bond, single bond, and then add here an oxygen atom and here also an oxygen atom. So after that you can see that there are red mark in nitrogen and oxygen. That's mean this not the correct structure. So we have to add the balances. So here in the nitrogen atom we require a positive sign. So repeat, click here. After input the nitrogen, just simply input the plus sign from your keyboard. Then in the oxygen atom simply add minus sign. So this is the our required structure for nitrobenzoic acid. So by following this method you can draw the compound which contain the positive or negative sign in their structure. Thank you.